This Teraflex Freedom Panel and full hard door hanger combo kit is for those of you that have a 2007 and up JK that has a hard top on it with those full doors, and you're looking for a way to store the Freedom Panels and the doors when you have them off. Of course, the doors in the Freedom Panels are big, heavy, expensive, and fragile, so you want to make sure that you're taking care of them when they're not on your Jeep and that they're not going to end up getting damaged. And a hanger kit like this is a surefire way of doing this. As long as you have a little bit of wall space in your garage in order to get this kit mounted up, it's going to securely and safely store those items. This is going to be something that installs very easily into your garage. You're going to have to screw this, of course, directly into the studs to give you all the strength that you need to carry and hold those big heavy doors. But as long as you're okay drilling a couple of holes into the wall to mount these, again, very easy 1 out of 3 wrench install that shouldn't take you more than about a half an hour or so, and we'll talk more about that in just a second. So there are going to be a couple of different options for carrying your Freedom Panels and carrying your doors. There are going to be carts that you can roll around on the ground. There are going to be other methods that almost mock the door hinge that's on the tub. That's something that you can screw onto the wall and put your doors on that way. They actually have them with latches as well, so you almost close the door just like you would on the Jeep, but it's hanging on the wall. Those are all going to be good options as well, but these are going to be for both the Freedom Panels and for the doors. So this is going to do both things. This is a combo kit that includes both pieces. And it's a very simple kit. There isn't a lot to it. There's nothing really to align per se. Everything's going to be a very, very easy install, and this is going to be fairly inexpensive. Now, when I say it's fairly inexpensive, I'm comparing that to repairing your door, repairing your Freedom Top, or having to purchase a new one if one were to fall, get damaged in one way or another. So I think that this is going to be really cheap insurance, almost giving you a spot to hang those doors, hang those Freedom Panels where they're going to be nice and safe. So this is the combo kit, so it's going to come with your door hangers and also your Freedom Top hangers. It's going to have everything that you need to get everything up on the wall and nice and safe. This is going to be some nice heavy gauge steel covered in a black powder coat finish. I mean, the design of these is going to be very simplistic, but it's also going to be very specific so that you can hang the doors. You actually set this front lip of these pieces here in the window track. So that's designed to hold those very securely in place and still have enough room in the back here for you to slide that Freedom Panel in place. These actually go upside down from how I have them oriented on the table here to hold the other side of the Freedom Panel so that they can't just fall off. It is a very well thought out kit and a very well put together kit, and it's absolutely going to work as advertised for you, keeping everything good and safe. As for the install, like I said before, 1 out of 3 wrenches. Teraflex is always really good with their written instructions that come in the box. You follow those and you're going to be able to get these installed in no time very, very easily. The most important thing, and of course it says it in the instructions, is that you want to be able to hit a stud when you're installing these brackets. These do have to hold a good bit of weight with those doors and the Freedom Panels, so you want to make sure that you hit wood behind your drywall to ensure that these are going to be nice and solid. But you just follow the instructions and you're good to go. Take a couple of measurements, bolt these pieces into place first, and then go ahead and move on to those upper clips for the Freedom Panels. This combo kit setup is going to come with all of the pieces that you see here, and it's going to run you right around $100. Like I said before, $100 is a drop in the bucket if you have to have a door repainted, a dent pulled out or hammered out, if you have to have fiberglass work done to your Freedom Panel or otherwise repaired and painted. So if you are somebody who takes your doors off a lot, if you're somebody who takes your Freedom Panels off a lot, if you don't just have a big carpeted area to lay these flat on the ground where nothing's gonna fall on them, then going with a kit like this absolutely makes sense. And for the $100 price tag, I think it is well worth it for the peace of mind to know that your doors and your Freedom Panels that are very expensive to repair or replace are going to be good and safe. So if you're looking for a way to store those full doors and Freedom Panels when they're not installed on your Jeep nice and safely, I definitely recommend this kit from Teraflex. And of course, you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.